If you've been feeling uncertain about who you are or who you're becoming, you're in the right place. Welcome to Where You Begin, a short guided meditation series from the Anchor Habit. Each episode gently explores identity during times of transition, without urgency, without pressure to define yourself. You don't need clarity right now. You don't need a final answer. Just arrive. Let your nervous system settle and begin exactly where you are. If you found yourself thinking, "I don't trust myself anymore," let's meet that without judgment. Loss of self-trust often follows disruption, decisions that didn't work out, changes you didn't expect, moments where certainty collapsed. This does not mean you are unreliable. It means you've been through something. For the next 10 minutes, we're not going to force confidence. We're going to let it rebuild the way trust actually does, slowly. Begin by noticing your breath. It continues without being managed. Notice your body supporting you right now. Your feet, your back, your weight. These are small, consistent signals. Trust begins here, in what repeats without drama. You don't need a breakthrough. You need contact. We're often taught that trust is something you discover, an insight, a moment of certainty. But trust is built through staying present through uncertainty, staying kind when answers don't come, staying with yourself even when you doubt. You don't rebuild trust by making perfect decisions. You rebuild it by remaining in relationship with yourself. Let that reframe settle. Anxiety is loud, urgent, demanding action now. Intuition is quieter, steadier. It doesn't rush. If both are present, you don't need to choose immediately. Just notice the difference in how they feel. Where does urgency live? Where does calm live? You don't need to label them perfectly. Awareness itself is a trustworthy signal. Say silently, "I can pause and still be safe." Pausing is not avoidance. It's discernment. Self-trust grows from small, repeatable experiences. Listening when you're tired. Stopping when something feels off. Continuing when something feels steady. These moments accumulate. Notice one small way you've stayed with yourself recently. It doesn't need to be impressive. Consistency matters more than intensity. Trust doesn't arrive all at once. It settles through repetition. Now bring attention to this truth. Confidence is the result of staying with yourself. Let it land. Confidence is not certainty. It's knowing you won't abandon yourself when things are unclear. You are building that right now. Each time you pause, each time you listen, each time you stay. As we close, notice the steadiness of this moment. You may not feel fully confident yet. That's okay. Confidence is already forming in your willingness to stay present. Carry this with you. You don't need to trust yourself perfectly. You only need to stay. Take one slow breath in and a steady breath out. You are already rebuilding. As we close, notice your body once more. Notice what feels even slightly more steady than before. You don't need to hold on to this feeling. You don't need to finish becoming today. This series is a gradual unfolding. Return to the next episode when you're ready, or revisit this one as often as you need. Where you are is not a mistake. This is where you begin.